Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about mattresses of 2024, the Tempur-Pedic Pro Breeze. Known for its promise of a cool night's sleep and classic memory foam feel, this mattress has generated a lot of buzz. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Imagine a mattress that combines the contouring support of memory foam with advanced cooling technology. That's exactly what the Tempur-Pedic Pro Breeze offers. Today, we'll take an in-depth look at its construction, performance, and whether it's the right choice for you. The Pro Breeze features a sophisticated design aimed at enhancing your sleep quality. It starts with a dense support foam base, crucial for durability. Above that, you'll find layers of ventilated memory foam and cooling materials. These components work together to provide a firm yet body-conforming feel that many sleepers love. When you first lie down on the Pro Breeze, you'll notice its initial firmness, especially if your room is cooler. But as you settle in, the memory foam gently molds to your body, offering excellent pressure relief. This feature is particularly beneficial for side sleepers, as it cradles the hips and shoulders. One of the standout features of the Pro Breeze is its cooling capabilities. Designed with hot sleepers in mind, it incorporates advanced cooling materials that help regulate temperature throughout the night. The cover itself feels cool to the touch, adding a refreshing layer even under sheets. In terms of performance, the Pro Breeze excels in key areas. It boasts exceptional motion isolation, perfect for couples, ensuring you won't disturb your partner when you move. Edge support is also commendable, preventing that rolling off feeling sometimes found in softer mattresses. It's worth noting that the Pro Breeze comes in a single medium firmness option. This generally suits a wide range of sleepers, from back to stomach and even combination sleepers. However, if you prefer a softer or firmer feel, you might want to explore other options within Tempur-Pedic's lineup. So, should you invest in the Tempur-Pedic Pro Breeze? If you're looking for a mattress that combines classic memory foam comfort with advanced cooling technology, and you're willing to invest in quality sleep, then yes, this could be a great fit for you. However, if budget is a concern or you prefer a different firmness level, you might want to explore other models in Tempur-Pedic's range. That wraps up our review of the Tempur-Pedic Pro Breeze. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more unbiased product reviews. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and until next time, sleep well.